Hey guys, how's it going? Check out this awesome book I have called Tractors and Farm Vehicles. It's by Jean Coppendale. Look at these gigantic tires. I was wondering if they're as big as the ones on our playground. What do you think? What is a tractor? Tractors are big machines that are used mostly on farms. They help farmers prepare their land, plant their plants, take care of their crops, and harvest them. A tractor has a cab where a person sits to drive. Other machines can be hooked to the back of a tractor so that it can do lots of different jobs. And here you can see a person driving, sitting in the cab driving this tractor, and hooked to the back is a heavy trailer that it's pulling through the field. A tractor has big wheels so it can travel across bumpy fields. The huge wheels also help stop the tractor from sinking into the mud. Some tractors have 2 or even 3 sets of wheels on each side, and they're also made to grip the soft, muddy ground. Preparing the fields. Farmers need to prepare their fields before they can plant crops. And their crops are like the vegetables that they grow, like maybe corn or soybeans or stuff like that. To do this, farmers attach a plow to the back of the tractor, and it's a long row of metal blades, and they turn as they're pulled through the ground. The plow has sharp blades that cut through the dirt. The tractor pulls the plow through the fields, and the plow blades chop up the dirt and turn it over. And the plow makes rows of ditches or furrows, and that gets the ground ready to grow seeds and plants. So then they can sow the seeds. Now that the earth is tilled, is plowed up, it's looser so that the seeds can grow. Sowing the seeds. When the fields are prepared, farmers plant or sow seeds. They do this with a seed drill. A seed drill is a container or a row of containers that is attached to the back of the tractor. The containers are filled with seed. And here is a farmer putting corn seed into his seed drill. And as the seed drill is pulled across the fields by the tractor, seeds are dropped into the furrows in the ground that were made with the plow. Taking care of the crops. Once they start growing, the new crops need to be cared for. Some farmers spray their crops with a special liquid. The liquid stops bugs from eating the plants. The liquid also stops weeds from growing. Some farmers do not spray their crops. Instead, workers remove the weeds with their hands as they are pulled through the fields. Some farmers choose not to use liquids because sometimes the liquids can be harmful to little bugs and to us. A machine called a crop sprayer can be hooked to the back of the tractor. As the tractor moves through the fields, liquid is sprayed on the growing crops. A crop sprayer has long arms on each side, so they can cover a lot of space as they move along. Harvest time. When crops are fully grown, they must be harvested. Different machines are used to harvest different crops. Vegetable harvesters dig up vegetables that grow under the ground. Can you think of a vegetable that we eat that grows under the ground? The green tractor is pulling a machine that harvests potatoes. Ah, that's one. Vegetable harvesters pull vegetables out of the ground. Then the vegetables are dropped into a truck. Some harvesters can dig up 2 rows of carrots at a time. There's another vegetable that we eat the part that grows in the dirt. carrots and potatoes. Collecting wheat. Wheat is ready to harvest when it is tall and ripe. This is done with a machine called a combine harvester. The front of a combine harvester has sharp blades that spin around. As the blades of a combine harvester spin, they cut the long stalks of wheat. The wheat is sucked into the harvester. The grain of the wheat is separated from its stalk inside the harvester. Many combine harvesters work together to harvest large fields. And this is where the blades are. Can you think of the little red hen who took her wheat to the mill? And now we have these fancy machines that do that kind of work. Baling hay. After a field of wheat has been harvested, the cut stalks are left behind, and this is called hay. A special machine called a baler cuts the hay and makes it into round or square bales. The bales of hay are tied up tightly and dropped out of the baler. A tractor loads the bales of hay onto a trailer. The bales are then taken away to be stored. The hay is used as food for farm animals, and during the winter, hay is also used for bedding for the animals to be soft and to keep them warm. Pull tractor. Tractors can be used for work and for play. Tractor pulls are very exciting. People watch tractor pulls to see which tractor can pull the heaviest weight. The tractors race on a special track. They have huge back wheels to stop them from slipping. The tractors pull a heavy load behind them while the crowd cheers. During a pull, a tractor's front wheels might lift off of the ground. Whoa, it's pulling a lot of weight. The end. This part right here is showing you, reminding you about the tractors, and it asks you, would you like to be a farmer who drives a tractor? And I would like to ask you, if you were a farmer, what kind of vegetables would you plant in your fields? Good thing to think about, friends. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.